I just had a giant, well, I had a small doner kebab, but it's really not small. I've got to go and walk it off. You're coming with me. I'm not sure what time it is. Something like 6 or... yeah, it's no, it's after 7. I think it's like 7:30. This is like the perfect time of day. It's cool. There's still light. It's cool. It's kind of quiet. There's fluff flying everywhere. No! Look. You probably can't see it, but there's fluff everywhere. It's hay fever juice. No, it isn't. It's this stuff that's all over the floor. I'm welding this floor. What? I'm welding this killing floor. Isn't it nice? Don't you just want to be out here? Look at the nature, look at the trees overhanging. It's just beautiful. It's strange, you know? People should really get out more. Or I should get out more. I want to get out more. But at the same time, when I don't get out that much, when I actually do go out, it's so nice. Because, you know, I'm not used to it, so I really appreciate it, you know. It's lovely. Giant enemy plant. Attack its weak point for no, don't. Don't actually. Wooden stake. There be vampires. Yarr. We're just out for a nice relaxing walk. With a full belly. I can really feel it. It's full. Oh plonk. I feel extremely fat. Probably because I am. I'm not sure which way to go. Look at the branching paths. That way, that way, that way, that way back there. So we can have a little adventure game. No, we're not. Pick your path. No, we're not. We're going that way. That way. That's the path you've chosen, whether you like it or not. Wait. Maybe you've seen this path before. I don't remember if I did it on one of the snow adventures. There's a fat pigeon over there. Should go and chase it so they can feel young again. Pigeon! It's out of here. You probably didn't even see it, but I promise you there was one. I was thinking of eating it because I'm so hungry. No, I'm not actually. Can't help it though. Dragons are hungry all the time. Yes, dragons. No. I think there's some kind of junkyard. I don't know what that is there. I don't know what that is. Oh, it must be a fudge load of gardens. Yeah. I mean, there are houses there. Jeez. I think I heard water. Why do you always show your feet at some point? I don't know, just to show that I'm actually walking and I'm not on motorised scooter. Man. Look at the lack of people. It's wonderful. Lots of cars though. There. No. Yes. An even better deal for your kingdom. Oh! Hey, what was that? Froggington. Hey, that's one more reason to record this journey more than once. Oh, look at all those people going back. In fact, there's so many people, I'm pretending I'm waiting for a bus till they go by. Oh man. Yeah, we haven't got any time to go out the city. Alright, let's continue. Let's continue. Yeah. Nothing to worry about. It's parents and children. I thought it was dodgy teens. So I've just wasted time. What's over that way? What's over that way? Through that underpass. Do you see it? Do you? Yeah. It's a huge world. Shall we have a look over there? I think we shall. I just feel like wandering. Show you guys some interesting places. Oh my god, was that a fox? No, it was a cat. You get foxes around here, you idiot. God. The tall grass. It itches my legs so... Oh, lovely. This is nice. This is really nice. Nature, eh? It's quite lovely. Hey, there's some woman. The shade as well. I just don't know what to say. I really need to get out more. This all strikes me as too amazing. It's like unreal. It's not like the game Unreal. It's just unreal. Like being around nature, so I want to travel. I want to go to Florida, man. Yeah, I do. And I will. But gosh darn, the cost of it. I should totally start up a Get Pulled to Florida fund. No. Kidding. We're on the home stretch. No, we're not. We've only just reached the end of it. Now we've got to head back. This is pretty much the far end of my journey. This is where we circle around and head back. I wonder if this is going to be like 20 minutes long. Depends if I run into anyone. Hope I don't, then this journey will be perfect. Such a nice area. I play games all the time. I'm on the computer all day, every day. I couldn't live without computers, but yeah, I can certainly appreciate all this. Lovely trees. Oh, yeah, not that much, but yeah, it's just nice. And I can certainly appreciate a dog poop bin. Holy shiz. 50 quid if you don't clean it up. And that's only dog poop. I don't know what the cost of horse poop is. If you saw my journey to the shop yesterday or whatever. No, not yesterday. Whatever. I guess this is a vlog. I'll call it enjoying nature. Yeah. This area is a secret area in Virus Bloke 2. If you know Virus Bloke 2 well enough, you will know what this secret area entails. If you do, leave it in a comment, and you will win something. I'm not even kidding. You will win. One request, one playthrough request. No, you won't. I don't know, you'll just win a yay. Yeah. In Virus Bloke 2. Oh, crap. What took place here? Some dude. There was some dude on the path I wanted to take. Ruined. Ruined. No. Maybe I'll go there some other time. Since there is a path just over there that connects up to it. Over there. Over there. Goes in there. Yeah. Let's make up for it. Let's go through the woods. Ditch. Holy shizzle hoppers. My god, is it dark in here. I haven't been in here in years. Well, oh my god, overgrown much. I haven't been in here since whichever the last snow special was. I came in here. Nice. Just watch out for stinging nettles. Frickin' hate those. Oh, watch out for spiders as well. Forest. I love a forest. Oh my god. Crazy. Don't mind me while I just choke to death on my own sputum. What? Ditch of death. And destruction, don't forget that. Man. Oh, it gets worse. Jeez. What an adventure. Tweet, tweet. How long is this journey? Yeah, this way. Oh. You've come across a block in the path. Oh no. Force my way through the brush. Hi. We're on an adventure. Deep into the Amazon jungle. To find a croc. With a big no. Flap, flap. Ah, the exit. Let's go out this end. It's much more open. Freedom. Freedom, crikey. What's up that way? Let's find out someday. Wasn't that fantabulous? Crap in my shoes now. No, literally, I've got dragon crap in my stuff in my shoes. Why is everything dragon with you? Everything from me being a dragon to plants actually, oh whatever. I don't bloody know. What a lovely journey that was. See you next time. Thanks for joining me. That was beautiful. Oh, bing! The longest pause vlogging ever. It went very well. Later. What are you waiting for? Oh, bing! Here comes the wolf bouncing on the dragon belly. Boing!